Welcome to Penrith. Today I'm here to show you the full video walk through the home which I gave a teaser of earlier in the week. Today I'm on Carleton Place and I'm here to show you a 3-bedroom semi-detached home which has got lots to offer you. It's got ample parking for at least 3 or 4 vehicles to the side and has got some beautiful spaces internally. It's got a conservatory, a living room, a dining kitchen, 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom. It's ready to move into and is absolutely beautiful. But what it also has is the benefit of a garage stroke barn workshop space to the rear. Now this is quite rare to find in this location. If you're looking for a home which has got a garage, then this is perfect. But also if you're looking for a workshop space to convert to, you want to put your own stamp on part of it, you're wanting to maybe extend, subject to the relevant planning consents, we've got a great space to the rear there as well. You can't quite see all of it from the start of the video. So I'm going to spin the camera around and show you the street scene, then we're going to go inside this home, but keep watching the video because this space to the rear is quite rare to the market and it's perfect if you're looking for somewhere to just to do something a little bit different. Homes in this location don't have this this extra special barn space. So let me spin the camera around and we'll get you inside. So this is the street scene. Number 5 Carleton Place just sits here at the end of the residential area. So up at the top there we've got the popular Carleton Road which takes us down towards Marks and Spencer's into the town centre. This is the home we're looking at today with all that ample driveway, parking and garage, and then as we extend round this road takes us down onto Carleton Drive. So this is a fabulous location if you're looking for a home in a sought after location. We're just minutes away from schools, from shops, but this home is absolutely beautiful. Inside it's presented to a great standard and with the benefit of all this parking it's ideal if you're looking for a family property. So let's go inside and have a little look at this wonderful home. So coming in through the front door, we're coming into a light filled entrance hallway which has got a staircase leading to the first floor, a lovely wooden floor taking us through into the kitchen space, and as I come down we've got space for storage under the stairs, and then we come into this beautiful lounge. Now this is presented beautifully, there's plenty of space in here for some large pieces of furniture. You've got space for a gas fire there, you've got a lovely bay window which looks out to the front, and you've got a nice high ceiling and just a great space in this wonderful home, a perfect living room. But as we come through, the space just keeps on giving. So we've got a lovely kitchen, which is a cream shaker style cabinet with a wooden effect work surface. We've got some integrated appliances. And as we extend through, this lovely wooden effect flooring takes us into a dining area. There's also more storage built into the alcove in the corner there as well, making use of all this space. But this is a great dining kitchen. It really is a super kitchen. Now I've just given you a glimpse of a conservatory which sits from here, so access to some glazed double doors, another living space. So this is a great addition to this home. So if you're looking for an extra reception room space, this is incredibly private and overlooks the garden, and it's starting to give you a glimpse of that garage stroke barn to the rear. We've got French doors which take us out onto the parking area and a little glimpse of the green garden space. So got a complete sun trap there tucked away, perfect place to sit and enjoy your morning coffee. But we'll go outside in just a few minutes. This is a super conservatory with access to the side and access straight into the dining kitchen. So let's keep on going because the ground floor is great, but so is upstairs. So upstairs you've got no shortage of space. We've got 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom, and as we come up the stairs you'll also see we've got a light-filled lounge, we've got a nice opaque window to the side giving us some privacy, and the landing also gives us access into the loft which is boarded and has a ladder up there. Now the 3 bedrooms lead off this main landing space. 2 of them are well proportioned, very similar in size, and both have fitted wardrobes. So this is one of the 2 double bedrooms, really large window here, and again just to give you a glimpse of that barn to the rear, this is a great addition. You've got the conservatory roof there, and this is the barn here that is just that little bit different. We've also got a view up to the beacon, and you can see we're not overlooked by any other properties. So we're in the town centre, but such a private location. Then coming back out onto the landing, if we just go to the left, we've got another great size double room. This one sits to the front, a similar size to the one you've just seen. Again, a range of fitted wardrobes, but also some storage above the bed there. Really large window, which looks out over the front garden space, which you can see has been made into a driveway. And this gives you the view But these windows are brilliant. They're so big and they're letting so much light, but this home really is super private. And then we've got the third bedroom. So quite typical in a home of this age, we've got a smaller third bedroom. Now this is currently used as an office. There is space in here for a single bed. It could be used as a nursery, a dressing room, home office, but it could be also be a bedroom. Many homes on this street use this room as a bedroom. And then finally, we've got the beautiful family bathroom. So this has got a shower over the bath, really nice and light space, and a great family bathroom for this home. So just to recap where we are, we sit just minutes away from the town centre. We've got shops and schools on our doorstep. We sit in a really popular area. There's no shortage of parking, but you've got your own off-road parking here as well. The majority of visitor parking is on street, but you can be in the town centre in just minutes and down at Marks and Spencer's for your pint of milk. Everything is just on your doorstep. Now we're going to go outside now and have a look at the garden space. So I'm just going to take you out there. So as we come through these patio doors, you can see we come to the extended parking area, and this is where the barn and the workshop garage space comes into view. Now this has got an electric door, and it also has a door to the side, so it's currently used as storage. I'm just going to open the door so that you can see what space we've got inside there. But before we do that, while it opens, let's look at this green space to the side. So it's a really nice little sheltered spot here, bit of a sun trapped, perfect to enjoy your morning coffee, but also sit here with a glass of wine. Nice sheltered spot overlooking the conservatory to the rear. And as we come around, I think our garage door's open now, so we can go inside this space. So like I said, this is quite rare to find in the town centre. So if you're looking for a workshop space, you want to tinker with vehicles, you're looking for a working from home, or you just want somewhere to put all your stuff, lots of storage space, then this is great because this is a super space. And as you can see, it's got a high vaulted ceiling, great beams, it's completely dry, it's been kitted out with some old kitchen cabinets for storage, and also could perhaps be used as a utility room. We've got a tumble dryer being used from this space here, so we have got electric out here. We don't have water, but that would be quite easy to connect. So this home is a super 3-bedroomed semi-detached home with ample parking, with this garage workshop sitting in the town centre. If you'd like more information on this wonderful home, please give us a call on 01768 881111, and we'd love to give you some more information.